Upgrade your outdoor living space with Pamapic's 5-piece patio furniture set. This luxurious and comfortable set includes 2 ergonomically designed chairs with soft, sponge-padded cushions, 2 large ottomans for added relaxation, and a sleek coffee table for hosting guests. Not only is this set comfortable, it's also flexible and free to customize. Easily combine or separate the pieces to create the perfect shape for your deck or garden. And when you don't need to use a piece, simply remove it. Crafted with unique gray pea rattan and matching mats, this outdoor chair set is both sturdy and beautiful. Its strong structure and durable characteristics ensure long-lasting enjoyment. Please note, patio furniture cover is not included. Search for links below this video to find the chair cover you may need. Designed for both indoor and outdoor settings, this set is perfect for any space. Its ottomans can be tucked under the chairs, greatly reducing space consumption, while the chairs offer the same level of comfort as a sofa. Easy assembly is guaranteed with this wicker patio furniture. And to prevent damage during shipping, the set is shipped in 2 boxes, one containing a chair, an ottoman, and all screws, and the other containing a chair, an ottoman, and the coffee table. Upgrade your outdoor living space today with Pamapic's 5-piece patio furniture set.